it's me, Aussie Bunny, and today I'm going to show you how I do this awesome pink cut crease look. I'm going to come a bit closer for you guys to see this really nice look here. And I achieved that with the Wet n Wild palette. So I've already gotten one eye, as everybody can see already. So we're going to go ahead and do this tutorial to show how I achieved this look. So I've already done my eyebrows and put a concealer under my eyes to set. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I'll include that in the link description box down below. First off, for this look, we're going to use the MAC palette, Runway Worthy, and I'm going to mix two colors at the same time while I'm doing this. I'm going to be using the pink, and then I'm going to be using the black color that's here. I'm going to be mixing it in while I'm applying. So I'm going to show you how I do that. The brushes, excuse my brushes by the way, but as you see I've already gotten one eye, so you're going to expect them brushes to be a bit dusty. So anyway, here you go. I'm going to be using this brush. My cat at the corner there checking me out while I do my makeup at the moment. She's always bothering me for something. And make sure that this side here is matching this side here. I'm just doing this look before I step out tonight. So this is a going out look. What we're going to do, folks, is use this brush here, and we're just going to go over and just blend that out a bit more with this brush. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go in with this illuminating drops, but what I find is that this makes an awesome natural looking highlight. So what I'm going to do is use this for underneath my brow here, and then afterwards when I apply my foundation I'm going to use this as a highlight too, so you'll see the finishing look at the end for that, folks. So what I'm going to do is lightly dab it. Use a brush, angled brush like this. And just go over it with this little brush to blend it out. You can see they're Wet n Wild. I actually got this on discount. As you can see, I got a crack in there, so pretty lucky. And this is such a decent price too. And all them colours that you have available here, you can do different colour cut creases with it, so I find that pretty amazing. So now what I'm going to do is use this brush here. This time we're going half a centimetre over my eyelid. And then you're just going to follow along to see what I do. And just follow it around so like this, like you're imitating doing a wing liner. Just fill in a bit of pink here. Okay, so we cut that pink crease and now we're going to get a bit fancy. It's quite a moist product. So what I'm going to do is set it with some eyeshadow. And I'm going to use the Nicka 9 Perfect 9, and I'm going to be using this color right here. And what I'm going to use to fill the cut crease, I'm going to be using this sort of brush here. And excuse my brushes again, like I say, I already went in with this eye, so you're going to find some, I'm going to be going over with the same brushes. You can get very heavy on this part, and what I do, I just pat it down. Where you see the pink is, just pat the eyeshadow in between there. Eyeshadow here on this side. The same palette though, I'm going to be using this color here. And I'm just going to go on the wing part and fill that in to go around the cut crease. So let's go ahead and do that, fellas. So I'm using this brush here. We're going on the outside of the cut crease. Give it a brighter light for you folks at home, because I can just see it was a bit dark before. So I'm just going to go in and do the same thing again so you can see what the hell I did. I'm going to go in with a liquid liner, Nano liner. This part, so excuse me if I take a while. So I wrapped it up with the liquid liner, and now I'm going to go in with the Lash and Line glitter liner, and we're going to cut that crease at the top. We're going to follow the blue line. This part here, like, you just cannot skip on this part. It just makes, just jazzes this up, honestly. You already are. I got this product from Crease line in Australia, and it's been doing me well. I finished the cut crease, and now I'm just going to do my foundation, and then I'm going to show you how I do the finishing off looks for this cut crease. I've done my foundation, so now I'm going to get into the highlight, which I'm going to use the same spotlight illuminating drops to do around my cheeks. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drop it and around the corner of my eyebrow. And I'm going to use this brush to spread it out. I really like this highlight too, because it comes across very natural looking, and it blends in very nice with the liquid foundation compared to like a powder bronzing highlight. See there, nice highlight, and then looking natural too. And what I'm going to do now is go over with this brush here to make the coverage nice and even, like. Go underneath my eyes with a blue pencil here. I normally do this after I set my foundation with my translucent powder. I'm going to go over it with the Inglot pigmented eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this brush. Another take your time moment. I'm just going to take my time and just go underneath my eye. As you can see, just doing that there just makes all the difference already. So I'm going to go in with the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to use a brown pencil to outline my lips. Before I apply my lipstick, I'm going to use a setting spray to set my makeup. So I'm just going to go in and do that. I get a bit heavy-handed when I apply this setting spray, by the way. That's just how I do my thing. So yeah, anyway, so I'm going to apply this lipstick now that the setting spray has set. Matte Forever in Chic on my lips. So I'm just going to go in and do that. That looks boss, as you can see. So now I'm just going to pop on some lashes and you'll see the final result. So this is the finished look for my pink Wet n Wild cut crease. Make sure that you hit the description box down below and hit that little bell, and you'll be seeing some more stuff from me soon.